Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. I'm back! The grunge look is back, the glam is back, the smoky eye is back, the long hair is gone. Who am I? In this video, I'm not only going to show you guys how to create this look, I also use some exciting products today, but I'm also giving you guys a update on why I haven't uploaded yet and why I haven't worked ahead and yeah, stuff like that. Anyways, if you're curious on how to create this sexy glam grunge look, then keep on watching. So I'm super excited to play with makeup again, and today I thought, I feel lately I've been doing like very dewy looks or flawless skin but like natural eyes, natural lips, and today I wanted to like take it back and go in very heavy and, well, not really super heavy, but like glam, like smoky glam, maybe like even grungy glam. I kind of missed it, and it is still my style. I love it and I will never get like tired of it. But yeah, I don't know, for a while I was just kind of like into the more natural looking looks, I think. Now I just want to like really dive into makeup. Okay, so as you can see, I already did my brows and I put on a little bit of Seamless Concealer from Iconic London on my eyes. And first of all, I want to really quickly explain the situation, why I haven't uploaded in a week or maybe like 2 weeks. I even feel ashamed to say that. But I explained it on stories, but if you don't follow me on IG, or if you don't have Instagram, cricket sounds. What I explain on stories is that it's so stupid, but I feel like I didn't really have the chance to kind of like work ahead. So then like an unexpected but very exciting opportunity came in, and I had to fly abroad to do Monica's makeup. And Monica is, well, she's like quite like a famous person in the Netherlands. She's an influencer. She's a Dutch YouTuber. She's going to present Love Island, Netherlands. And it's super exciting because I get to do her makeup. And I'm not really, like, I haven't done someone else's makeup in quite a long time. So the fact that she is really into like my style and the way I do her makeup is like super flattering as well. But that is mostly the reason why I haven't been able to upload, because I didn't work ahead. And now I really want to work ahead. So this is video numero uno. And I just came back yesterday. By the way, while I'm going to do my makeup, I'm going to talk to you guys a bit more. So I just came back yesterday and I have to fly back again Tuesday. So that is something that I have to do like every week for the next 7 weeks. And since it's reality, you don't really know what's going to happen. So unexpected things may happen and I might have to fly back again. So I'm kind of like standby and, just like, I don't know what that was, but anyways, I'm going to dip into the Biba palette from Natasha Denona. And I just picked this palette, not because it's Natasha Denona, obviously I love everything from her. And I know it's super expensive, but you can just grab any palette that you want with, I don't know, beautiful neutral colors. Actually, I'm not even sure if I'm going to use this palette because I really want to be super grungy today, but at the same time, I don't really know which colors I'm going to use, which is nothing new. So I'm going to start off using this freckle color right there. And this is my taper blender brush from Boozy Brush. I'm just going to put that into the crease. I'm actually going to use a large blending brush, which is better, I think. So, because you won't be able to really see this color afterwards. Anyways, it was super exciting to be, kind of backstage at Love Island. You get to see the villa, get to see the contestants, and a little bit more than the public because, it's kind of like live / semi-live. So far, it's super exciting, and I also feel like I haven't worked as a makeup artist, like a true makeup artist, for years now. And so it was very exciting for me, and it is very exciting because you kind of get like caught up in your own routine. So this is something else, and this really pushes me to be creative and come up with new looks. And yeah, it's been exciting, and as I said, I feel honored that I get to do something exciting like that. My friends were like super excited about like all versions of Love Island: Australia, UK, Netherlands. I also felt like I needed to know what the show was about before I was like heading there to do Monica's makeup. And I watched UK first, and I love it because I haven't even watched everything yet, so no spoilers, please. I think I'm at episode 40 right now, and as everyone, I'm a huge fan of Tommy and Molly May. You guys have to let me know if you watch Love Island. I'm not going to say too much because I feel like if you haven't watched it, I don't want to like give you spoilers. Now I'm going to dip into this beautiful color which is called Seed, and I'm going to use the first brush that I've used, and I'm going to darken up the crease with this. I haven't done a smoky eye in such a long time. Can't even remember the last time I did it. And I feel like you guys missed it as well because, you know, I was doing natural looks for, I don't know, quite a long time. Taking my Jaclyn Hill brush in 33, I'm going to blend this in circular motions. I'm not even pressing it, just like touching it very softly. Killing me softly with his song. On my eyelids, I'm going to use one of my favorite single eyeshadows. This is Block Party eyeshadows from Dose of Colors. Haven't used this in a long time, and I really love them. On my nails, they look awful, and I have to go to the nail salon, but they're closed today, so I have to go tomorrow. Go to wet my medium shade brush from Makeup Addiction with my setting spray from Urban Decay, and I'm going in with this Double Take color. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Wow. Second color that I'm going to use is Caffeine Queen, and it's pretty similar to this one, but I don't know, it has a bit more of a silver touch to it, and it's slightly lighter. So I'm going to put this on the center, so we kind of have a halo eye, but it's not like too much. By the way, guys, as you guys know, I cut my hair super short because I was kind of like tired of the like tape-in extensions, and it really, I feel like it did damage my hair. And so I'm kind of surprised when people say like it didn't really damage their hair, if you know what I mean. Even though I really liked it, I don't know, I kind of felt the need to really take care of my own natural hair, and I feel like I have just so much respect for people with like super good natural looking hair, and I always felt like, oh, that's goals. And because I bleach my hair so many times, I feel like I can't achieve that volume and the length and the health, but I'm really going to give it a try. I bought a lot of new good products. I'm going to do like a lot of DIY hair masks. I don't know, like I really can't wait to really take care of it, and hopefully it will grow like super fast, which always is kind of like, you know, with my hair. So maybe I can do like a video if you are like considering clip-in extensions or tape-ins or wave, because I tried all three, and I can like give you tips and tricks on each, you know, technique. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys want my tips and tricks and my experience. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what? I feel like watching Love Island UK. I have so many accents in my head, and there's so many people with a lot of accents, and I love it. For example, Maura. I think she was Irish. Was she Irish? Or no? I don't know. I don't know where she came from. I don't know if she was Irish or not, but I love it. I really love the fact that she says thanks and tanks and fucking packing me. Thanks for packing me. I know I have a pretty strong Dutch accent as well, but I don't know, Jack. I just love accents, if that makes sense. So, I feel like the camera didn't record this. Anyways, what I was saying is that before I'm going to finish off my eyes, I am going to use this Giorgio Armani primer, and this is the Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer, and I've used it on my face already, and I don't think I've ever used something this soft on my skin, ever. Like not even skincare, foundation, nothing. This is just next level softness. This feels so freaking amazing. And the Luminous Silk is one of my favorite foundations, and I've read a lot of good things about this, especially if you have dry skin. It seems to do wonders for your skin. For foundation, I'm going to use the Luminous Silk foundation as well, just to see how those two kind of like work together. This is a smaller version. This is a tester size. I have a lot of Luminous Silk foundations. I have no idea where they are. I just don't understand, because, you know, I kind of like accepted the fact that if your socks disappear, if your hair ties disappear, you know, that's normal. I accepted it. But, you know, if your makeup disappears, it's kind of like mysterious. So this is the color 6, which has a slightly olive undertone. So I hope we can make it work. Okay. For concealer, I'm also going to use a new concealer. This is the Boing concealer from Benefit. And if you look at the packaging, I would never choose the shade number 5 because it looks a bit dark. It looks like my own skin tone. If I take it out of the packaging, it looks pretty you know, like natural, slightly lighter than my own skin tone. So I feel like if you're interested in this concealer, just make sure to look at the bottle instead of like the color on the packaging. So the last time I used this, I was doing like my sister's makeup, which is also up on my channel. It's up on my channel, you know. Concealer buffer brush from Zoeva. Oh shit, my SD card is running full. Ooh, I like that. Oh, how much I miss doing makeup. My base looks so perfect, like perfecto. So this is what I mean. This is number 10. If you look at the packaging, you would think it's a concealer for darker complexions, which is the truth, but it's not like super dark. I mean, look at the difference. I do feel like it's quite confusing. Anyways, I picked the shade because I want to try to contour with this and see if the color is a match. Look at that. It's just super light. I mean, you know what I mean? It's just weird. Way too orange. So I'm going to use this petite face finish brush from Zoeva, and I took my sculpt palette from Sigma, and I'm going to use this color right here to contour my face, and I'm going to do a pretty heavy contour because I missed it. Going for the JLo contour. As you guys know, I love to put a little bit of bronzer here. For highlighter, I'm going to use a classic. It's Soft and Gentle from MAC, and I still have the old packaging. And I'm not sure if it's even like okay to still use this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Just gonna wet me brush myself and then apply it on myself. For blush, I'm going to use Corde Rosa from Sigma, and I love this blush. I haven't used this in a long time as well, so I love using, you know, things I haven't used in a long time. So I'm taking this exact blender brush from Sigma, and I think I'm going in with a slightly warmer color because I think that is going to, you know, look interesting. And I really love this one. It's called Rayon. Right there. Yeah, I think that's going to look amazeballs. To make it a bit more dark, I'm going to use a little bit of Seed, and I'm just going to put it on the outer like edges. So I really like how this looks, but the only thing that's bothering me is this patchy like spot right there. I think it's because of the concealer, because I was kind of like already like in a doubt whether I should use it or not, because I've never used it as a base for my eyeshadows. So I feel like, should we make it darker to kind of like hide it, but that is going to look super intense. So I'm going in with my exact blend brush from Sigma, this a smaller one. I'm going in with Spot, so just on the outer edges. Now I'm going in with this color, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners. Oh, I missed it so much. On my waterline, I'm going to use this beautiful, I think very original color. This is Pearl Gray eyeliner from Dose of Colors, and it's like between purple and gray and taupe. So I'm going to put this on my waterline. I expected this to be a bit darker, but I'm going to do the other side as well, and then go over with another darker color. So I'm going to use this dark brown color from Morphe. This is in the shade Trendsetter. Going to line my lips with a stripped down lip liner from MAC. I have two new lipsticks from NARS. I think I'm going in with Rose Cliff. Yeah, right? Rose Cliff first. Such a good color. Love, love, love it. This is the color Sexual Healing, and it has a bit of shimmer to it. So I'm just going to use it in the center. Quickly going to apply some lashes, some mascara, then I'll be right back to show you guys the end result. There you go. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I really wanted to do something crazy with my hair. Maybe it's a little bit over the top, but I don't know. I want to be over the top today, okay? I want to look a little bit intense. So the lashes I use today are from Attitude, and this is the style Fairy. For mascara, I've used this Unlimited mascara from L'Oréal Paris. I really want to apologize again because of the fact that I didn't upload. From today on, I'm going to work ahead, And so hopefully that won't happen again. So yeah, sorry again. I hope you can forgive me. I still love you, and I really miss doing this. I really miss doing like an intense makeup. I missed you guys. I can't wait to see your comments. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.